This short video will show you a way to make easy and high profit while trading only an hour a day or often even less. No matter your experience level, keep watching till the end and you will see how this could change your trading life in no time. I call this indicator FX Atom Pro. My team has engineered FX Atom Pro with only one goal: to enable even the complete Forex newbie get smart predictions right on their screen and take decisive trading actions that lead to easy and profitable trades. FX Atom Pro generates easy-to-follow buy-sell signal lines right on your chart. So when the buy line appears, you enter a buy trade. And when the sell line appears, you close that buy trade and open a new sell trade. Pretty simple, right? On top of that, this powerful indicator gives you stop loss and take profit levels for each trade via 3 different alert types. FX Atom Pro has sound alerts, email alerts, and a mobile push notification system that can inform you of every new signal and its details wherever you are. You don't have to sit glued on in front of the screen all day to predict the next market movement. Alerts will inform you when it's a good time to open or close a trade, and all of these will enable you to keep a firm control over the market and profit from almost every possible price movement. FX Atom Pro works in real time and generates buy-sell signals based on your level of risk tolerance. There are 3 main trading styles to choose from: conservative, medium, and aggressive. The conservative mode offers low-risk signals with a normal signal frequency and is very well suited for those who prefer to trade as safe as possible. The aggressive mode generates more signals, but is best used by the more experienced traders with a higher risk appetite. And the medium mode is for those itching to try out the aggressive mode but feel they're not ready for it. On top of that, there is also an additional custom mode that allows the more experienced traders to experiment with the settings manually. There's no time to waste. Finally, it's time to trade with the success levels you expected when you started taking your first steps in Forex. It's time to start trading with confidence. Enough with all those losses. Let's turn the tables and experience sustained success like the big traders. When you buy FX Atom Pro, you get accurate buy-sell signals, renewed confidence on each trade, 24/7 email support, detailed guide for optimizing profits, 3 types of signal alerts, 3 trading modes to choose from, much more free time, enhanced consistent profits. Finally, it's time to live the dream life that Forex trading is capable of giving you. I hope this is the moment where you finally decide your future in the world of Forex. The financial independence you've always wanted is right here, waiting for you. So get your FX Atom Pro indicator right now and enjoy your brand new direction in Forex trading. Just in case you're wondering, I won't keep this offer open for long. With FX Atom Pro, you can start making profits from day one. You can employ it immediately, but I advise you to go through the user guide first and understand how to get the most out of this high-end indicator. I'm not going to charge you the standard price of $395 for this tool. I want you to finally change your life for the better, and I want to make this change easy and affordable for you. So, the full FX Atom Pro package, including the buy-sell indicator, step-by-step user guide, and 24/7 email support from me, can be yours for a one-time payment of just $147. Really, there is no time to waste. If you keep doing what you've been doing, you will keep getting what you've been getting. So if you want to live a much better and fulfilling life, you should make the first step right now. Cut the learning curve that cost me thousands of dollars and miserable sleepless nights. Get your own personal copy of full FX Atom Pro package and start making easy high profit while being 100% confident with every trade you make. That's it. It's time to make that step towards success and happiness of both you and your loved ones. Leave it up to FX Atom Pro and me personally to help you finally start making the profit you deserve. When you purchase, you will instantly get access to the members only page where you can download the FX Atom Pro and the step-by-step user guide. Plus, also get my 24/7 personal email support. I will help you with every step of the way. The change starts now. Click the Add to Cart button below right now, and I will see you on the other side.